Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Honda CTX700. This is the modern cruiser, twin-cylinder, 670cc, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, nice low-slung, low center of gravity, forward foot pegs, beautiful metallic silver. This bike only has 1,220 miles on it. It's also equipped with a very nice passenger backrest and a little windscreen. Price to sell at just $54.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.